Standard Showtime selection box here. Yeah, this was the one that is similar to the Comet Spectacular. On that video I'd got mistaken. I was talking about the Connoisseur being similar, but in fact it was this box here. So I'll open it up, see what's inside. Got these Banshee Thunder rockets, Whistling Airborne rockets. Whistling Vortex wheel. Nice candle bouquet. We've got two of these. Red one and a blue one. Star Shells candle battery. Airborne battery. Silver Splendor fountain. And a silver dragon fountain. Screamer battery. Giant rainbow fountain. A decent selection in this box. Have this circle of fire wheel. Silver rain fountain. It's a blue touch piece. This little fool's gold candle. Got these little airstrike air bombs. Strobe fountain. Double colour air bomb. Got two of these. There's the other one. Got this little black cat wheel. Stellar orbiter. Just with the singular motor on it. Crackling star, Roman candle. There's quite a few Roman candles in this box. You have this other one, colour burst. Flying dragon and phoenix. Have this lion candle. I don't think I've seen this candle before. Let's have a look at these other goodies. New star. Producer's star. Alright. No shit. Then you got this other one. Whistling star. Producer's whistle. No shit. And you got these little cakes. Chameleon. Oh, sorry. This one's a fountain. Chameleon fountain. This one's a little cake, little 7-shotter. Crackle burst. Stick that spike in the ground and you're ready to go. Galactic Storm Fountain. Quite heavy, that fountain. You've got a few mines. Boiling stars. Have this other one. Sizzling stars. Another mine. Fountain mine combo. This big cone, crackling cascade. Just a little pinwheel. Go for Ruby Mine. Stick that over there. Crackerjack Ground Mine. I think this is like one of the older ones. Not sure if it's, I think it's Blue Touch, and then they've added the visco to this one. Nice mine that is. Also has like the standard flag on there, look. Bomb Blitz. Ground mine produces bangs. Now we've got this, so that's a 19-shotter. Star Delight produces stars, red, green and silver. So just the one pack of sparklers. And then you have these 3 cakes. Morning Sunrise, Twirling Torpedoes and Jupiter's Moons. Actually, if you want to check these out, you can Google these. I mean, not Google. You can search for these on YouTube, and there's videos of all 3 of these. So yeah, check them out if you want. And there you have it. It's really, really good selection. I like this box a lot. You've got these 4 cakes, and you've got 5 mines. Like really nice mines as well. You got a big true conic fountain. You got, oh, everything's falling now. Pack of air bombs. You got 2 singular air bombs. A couple of small little wheels there. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 large candles. You got a large wheel, and you got these battery Roman candles, some with air bombs, some with screechers. You got some little candle bouquet set pieces. You got this large 4-motor wheel, Banshee rockets, pack of sparklers. I forgot about that little Roman candle. And then you got these pretty decent sized fountains. This little cake as well. So actually you get 2, 3, 4, 5 cakes here. And there's another fountain, and there's your little old Blue Touch fountain as well. So there you have it. That's the contents of the standard Showtime box. Really like this one. Hope you've enjoyed.